Frustrated by that never-ending loading screen in CarX Street? Let's get you back on the road in under 2 minutes with these quick fixes. First, force close CarX Street. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen or double-tap the home button to reveal your open apps, then swipe CarX Street away to completely close it. Next, clear the app cache. Go to your phone's settings, then find the Apps or Applications Manager section. Scroll through your apps until you find CarX Street and tap on it. Now, tap on Storage or Storage Usage. Look for the Clear Cache button and tap it. Do not clear data unless you are okay with potentially losing some game progress or need to reinstall the game as last resort. Enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then disable. This resets your network connection and can resolve network issues. Finally, relaunch CarX Street. This will load the game after following the steps. If the problem persists, try restarting your device or reinstalling the game. Hopefully, one of these steps got you back into the action. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more CarX Street tips.